Yes.
Okay. First of all, thanks a lot for giving me this nice opportunity to join this amazing workshop with these wonderful initiatives. I am the project manager of Sekketak Khadra project with the main objective to improve the cycling services in the city through the provision of bike racks and also work to understand the needs of cycling for future planning and activities. I always having a passion for cycling. I have always imagined Egypt streets overloaded with cyclists instead of cars, and wondered how pedestrian-friendly environment would change the dynamics of our city, Egypt, and especially Cairo. I am also a Go Bike founder. When I was visiting an European country, I noticed the usage of bicycles as a basic means of transportation. And here came the idea of Go Bike and transferring the cycling culture from European countries to Egypt. I'm also a writer of Sekketak Khadra book, which is the main goal to spread and support the cycling culture. And actually, it's full of everything related to cycling and highlights the cycling culture all over the world and complete review about Copenhagenized Index. Let me talk about Sekketak Khadra. Sekketak Khadra encourage Egyptians people to be bicycle commuters and leave their cars behind to decrease the pollution in Cairo and reduce traffic congestion. We launched this initiative to transform Egypt into a greener and more bike-friendly city. First, we signed a memorandum, MOU, in April 2016 with Cairo Governorate and UN Habitat and the Danish Embassy and civil organizations like Nahdat al-Mahrousa and the Green Arm. We actually implemented about 100 bike racks, as you see in the photos, and this is sample of our bike racks. The main challenges to Sekketak Khadra was finding where to put the bike racks. We began conducting and mapping studies along with surveys asking people where would be the best places to build their bikes, as to get the more efficient places and the most usable places for the bike racks. We picked the locations with security cameras and security guards of the banks and malls and schools and universities. By the end, we pinpointed more than 100 locations in Heliopolis and downtown. We specially chose these two locations, Heliopolis and downtowns, with cultural and historical background to install up to 100 bike racks whose places were determined in accordance with the cyclists' most frequent destinations. As you see, this is our bike racks. Actually, Sekketak Khadra was a step forward towards the bike share system, which will be launched soon in Egypt. And this it will be a nice opportunity to announce about the bike share system that will be implemented in Egypt, especially in Cairo streets, very, very soon. As we were trying to change the mindset of the community towards cycling culture. And here are our happy cyclists and the happy clients, as we see. They put their bikes in the bike racks and lock them. Actually, Go Bike, let me talk about Go Bike. As I said, that I am founder of Go Bike. Go Bike initiative mainly targets sustainable development as it encourages the use of bicycles as environmentally friendly mean of transportation, alternative to traditional means of transportation that causes environmental pollution through fumes and exhausts and reduce fuel consumption. Go Bike initiative aims to encourage using of bicycle as a mean of transportation that doesn't consume fuel and doesn't produce any carbon emissions during use, and does not contribute to the pollution of the environment, which is why it is sustainable or alternative mean of transportation, which depends on the energy of fuel, which nowadays in its way to sarcastic or trend to sarcastic. Our vision is to promote cycling culture. Time is running.
Can you speed up?
Okay. Go Bike merges sports content with other contents such as raising awareness, educational, cultural, social. Our mission is building a community of passionate riders of different classes and make cycling a safe and convenient lifestyle mean of transportation. Actually, what we do.
I think I have to interrupt.
Community rights.
Sorry, Mohamed. Okay. I think time is running out. So thank you so much for your input. Oh, you have lots here.
Yeah. Sorry.
It was only about 5 minutes, so I interrupt you on this point. But you are there for the chat, I guess, when there are questions. So thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.